Hi, today for the Xiaomi 13 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to Google account to your account and click here to more, then click to remove account and confirm your action by tap to remove account again. Now in Google account settings we successfully log out from Gmail account, and in Gmail app we can see that we also successfully log out from the Google account, from the Gmail account. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.